It's a little bit windy. So windy, it's blowing the water up the channel. You can see it going ripping across the water. Step inside, there's a wind meter in here. Wind speed. Ooh. It was just on 30. 32.34. 37, 36. Okay, watch this. As soon as I turn this on, my wind alarm is likely to go off. Can feel the cab shaking. So last time I drove in the wind, it was hitting 30 up to 40, 38, 40. But it was coming from a different direction. There it is. Wind speed warning. Oh yeah. See the cab's blocking the wind right now. Northwest. Woo! Alright. It's nice and warm in here. Let's see what happens. I love a good windstorm. There's some good wind. Woo! I just saw a 46. And this cab is shaking. That's pretty, I'm excited. Woo! Look at that. You know, you can't see it, but the rack's swinging around and usually, you know, it just hangs there. So, pretty good.